Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing another Sunday reset. This is the second one I have done on my channel. I'll link the first one in the eye, but I love doing these. It's just a great way to start off the week and get prepared. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another one of my videos and you'll instantly be part of the angels team. So let's just get straight on into everything I do on my Sunday resets to get ready for the week. Okay, I always start off by fixing my bed. Not fixing it, but changing the sheets. I feel like I'm really good at doing it on camera, and then off camera, I just wash the same sheets and use the same ones. So, what I'm getting at is you guys motivate me to actually change my sheets, spice up my life, because I always use these beige ones or like gray ones, and that's it. So I got new sheets, and I always have a bunch of different blankets, but summer and spring are coming. They're right around the corner, so I think I need to put these in my little spare towel closet or whatever, because I'm not going to be using them much longer. But I'm super excited. I feel like there's just something so cool about, or a nice feeling, the luxury feeling of having new sheets, because it's just like the feeling of being clean. So these are the ones I got them from Home Goods, which is where I work, sadly. But yeah, I got it 10% off, so it was $16.99. I have a full-size bed if you were ever wondering. I got it from IKEA, actually. It's pretty good. I should probably get a new one though. I've had it for a really long time. I think it's been, at this point, I don't even know, like 7 years. Yeah, probably should get a new bed. But look how cute these are. It's like a cute little purple checkered color, and they're so soft, they're so nice. I know that a lot of people say that you need like the higher thread, the better quality, but I don't even know the thread count on this one. It was just super nice. I also think since your bed takes up so much of your room, it's really important just to have it super clean, super organized. And Sundays are the days when I'm the most motivated. By Friday and Saturday, I don't fix my bed. Like, let's be so honest. So I think it's just a good way to like get in the habit of fixing my bed more often. And now you can see all of my little squishmallows and stuffed animals and pillows that I have. I need to get a new duvet or comforter, because I use the same one. Then this is my dresser. It's next to my bookcase, next to my door. The first thing to get messy after my desk is this. I couldn't tell you why. I just have random stuff. I am going on a trip this week, so like when this video goes up, literally a couple days later, I'm gonna be going on a trip. So I've been trying to like find things to put in, like pack and stuff. So there's just stuff everywhere really, and I needed to clean it up and just start packing a little bit. Not that I showed it because I completely forgot to film. Anyways, besides the point. And then the first thing to get dirty in my room is always my desk, and it is probably the second biggest portion of my room other than my bed. My bed doesn't get messy, it just doesn't get organized. So I always just have the most random stuff. I did end up doing my nails, and this nail color that I have is from the D&D, I think, yes, D&D nail brand. They have their own website, but I found them on Instagram, and it's in the color cherry pie. It's like a burnt orange color, and at first I thought it was more of a fall color, but literally everyone was telling me that it's also kind of a spring color because it's not too burnt. It's just like in the middle of like a reddish brown color, so it's super cute. But yeah, I was doing my nails, and then I ended up changing them again. Throughout their week for my Easter nails. Now they're blue, so just so you know, just a little heads up. I do my own nails. I do gel nails. That's kind of it. I do gel X at times. I do them for other people more than myself. But there's my little nail cart. If you're wondering where I got it from Michael's. Don't know. I got it for like $25. It was on sale for 50% off. So it used to be $50. Then my closet. I've never seen it so dirty or messy. The reason it is because, again, I'm getting ready for my trip, so I literally just throw things wherever, trying to figure out what I'm actually going to take, until I realize I should just make a list of things on my phone and then start checking them off as I pack them. Yeah, didn't really think about that. But ever since I got these new doors, I showed them in my little room makeover that I did, I just I don't know. My closet has been organized. This is the first time that they have not been. So you're welcome for showing you the messiness. This weekly planner, I also have a daily one. It's by a YouTuber called Keegan Acton. I don't think she's still selling them because she now has like a full-time job. So I don't know, but they're really good. They're probably the best ones that I've used and the only ones I use currently. I'm just planning out my week. I like that it has time slots because then I can kind of manage my life by the hour. I'm one of those people that I'm organized, but then sometimes if I have like free time, I'm like, okay, what do I do now? And then I just go off and do something like unproductive, and then I don't go back to being productive. So I think having those like set times to do things is super helpful because I just stay on schedule. And then I also know how much time I genuinely should have. If you're wondering what show I'm watching, it is The Grimm. This is, I think, the third time I've watched it. It is such a good show. I watch it on the CW like app, so it has ads. But if you watch it on Prime Video, it also has ads. So either way, it has ads. But it's such a good show, and it's my third time watching it. So I highly recommend you watch it. It's just so entertaining, and there's just something always happening in that show. The last show I was watching was How to Get Away with Murder. Same kind of concept, super crazy. Everything's always happening, and then when you think things are settled, they're not. So Grimm is kind of like that. It's just more like fantasy vibes, I guess. Whereas How to Get Away with Murder is like more realistic. So I finally finished the to-do list. It takes me a while to think about like what I'm gonna do, and when this video goes up, it's gonna be April, which is crazy. Let me know in the comments how your 2024 has been going. Has it been going pretty quick? Because for me, it has. Like, I keep feeling like time is just flying by. So I have this little acrylic whiteboard. I think I've mentioned it before. It's from Five Below, and I absolutely love it. I think, number one, it's aesthetic and it's cute, and I like having it on my desk, but also I like just putting really big things because the boxes themselves are super small. So I just keep like big things. So like if I have a shift at work, or if I have like a big concert for my orchestra, or if I have, I don't know, like some really big deadline that I have to do, that's where I put it because I can always see it. I also have a little calendar up there of how many months I have left of the school year. Love it. I only have like 2 months, and I'm very excited because I'm kind of done with school and in that little like unmotivated school slump. So, but yes, I love this, and I use it every day. Pretty much, I look at it every day, and anytime I have something big, I put it there. I have multiple different ways of organizing my life. I have Xtiles. I used to use Notion, switched over to Xtiles. I have multiple videos over it, if you are ever wondering. And then I also just use my family we use the FamCal, I think it's called, but it's just a family calendar. We all have it, and we can all see like what we're all up to, and it gives you notifications like as a family. So that's something to keep in mind if you have like your significant other, you're trying to keep track of them and their lives, or your family. So that's what me and my parents do, so that we know what everybody's doing. But yes, I have multiple ways. I also do to-do lists. I just think it's better to have multiple ways because then those things that you're going to be doing are kind of ingrained in your mind. But overall, April is going to be a busy month for me. This is the most I've ever written this year in the beginning of a month. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm a little scared for April. Please pray for me because it's gonna be a really, really like busy April. Like, I have things and deadlines, activities every single week, all the time. Like, I'm going on to Chicago. That's the trip I'm going on. And then when I come back, I have a bunch of stuff that I have to do, a bunch of deadlines. So, and then the last thing I did was a little bit of just like writing out essays, doing some stuff for school and studying in general. I think that's Sometimes on Sundays I don't like studying, but I feel like this day I was overly motivated, so I was like, I guess I'll do some work. So I was writing multiple essays for like scholarships and just some work, like assignments that I had to do. Overall, they weren't too hard, and I did this in silence. I never do that. Fun fact, me and silence are not a pair. It's really bad. That's why I always have like music playing or some type of like show in the background. I never just don't have anything. My mom is concerned for me, to say the least, but I feel like I'm getting better at just sitting in silence. But I think the reason I'm really bad at it is because I have a million thoughts going through my mind all the time, so then those thoughts are just kind of there. So with silence, like those thoughts are just abundantly like in my mind all the time. So with something in the background, I feel like I focus more on what I'm doing and then or the background thing than what's going on in my brain. So it's it's an interesting concept. Let me know how you guys do work, you study, you do something. I feel like I always just need something in the background. It's either going to be The Weeknd or it's going to be Osuna. Those are my two like go-to background people because I know their songs by heart, so I'm not going to be distracted by anything. But overall, that is everything I did this Sunday. I feel like it wasn't too much, but it was enough to get me prepared for the week. Let me know how you prepare for a week, what you do on your Sunday resets. Do you have a routine? Do you not? I don't know. I feel like a lot of people just go with the flow, and that's it. But thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all your love and support. Thank you. I forgot to mention, we hit 1K. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And stay tuned until next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Again, thanks. I'm so shocked for the 1K. But I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.